Welcome to My View from the Woods. Today I need your help. I need some help picking out another set of grow lights. I'm going to show you the grow lights I have, and I'd really like your opinion on what you think I should get, or any experiences that you've had with any grow lights for that matter. So stay tuned. Oh, enjoy the pictures of the deer instead of my usual opening. And if you don't see any deers, the video didn't come out very good, so I didn't use it. We'll see. Right now I'm using three different types of grow lights. I have some bulbs for clamp lights that seem to be working very good. I have a 3-foot LED strip light, sort of like a shop light that I got from Home Depot that works okay. I'm going to show you the results here in a minute. And then I have a 1-foot square grow light from Unifun, which seems to be doing a good job. All links to all those will be in the description down below. Let's take a look at the results of what I got so far, and then I want your opinion on what you think I should buy for more lights. Let's take a look. Okay, these are the bulbs from TaoTronics. You can see they just fit into clamp lights. I have 2 of them hooked to either side of my 3-foot long planting bed, and right now they are lighting up my microgreens. And you can see they're doing a pretty good job. These microgreens started out too thin and away from the light too much, and they're a little bit leggy, but these that I planted at a larger density are doing well. They're staying nice and green. They're doing well, they're growing nice and green. They're a little bit red obviously from the lights, but the plants are nice and dense and they've been doing a great job. But I'm not going to get any more of those, I don't think. I don't want to buy the clamp lights. The bulbs are about 24 bucks a piece, which is right in the ballpark of where I want to spend, but I don't know. I just think I want to stay away from those right now. One, because they're kind of hard to adjust over the height of the plants, although this broadcasting at angles seems to be doing pretty good for these microgreens. The next light I have is this shop light from Home Depot. It's a 3-foot long LED light that I've hung from chains, which I like because I can control the height of it. And we won't look at the cilantro, so again, this was a poor planting. But you can see my, talk right Todd, you can see my lettuce greens here are doing pretty good. I can see if I can focus in on them a little bit more. Where's the camera doesn't, there we go. But you can see that the middle where the light is, because the light is aimed right down the middle, I'll get from a side view here. You can see that I got the light pointing right down the middle. But you can also see from that the plants in the middle that are getting a direct light are nice and compact, while the plants on the side are growing taller but leaning in towards the light and are a little bit leggy. However, I think this light system will work well when I can plant it over here. If you can see in the back, I'll do a B-roll where you can see these better. But these are my onion sets and some Swiss chard at the back over here. I think this strip light over the top of a planter like that will do well. And I plan on getting another 3-foot planter, very similar to this one, that I'm going to put in front of here. So I think I'll get another one of these LED strip lights. But what I really want your advice is, besides these tail lights, is this Unifun light. It's a 1 by 1 foot long light. You can see I can adjust the height. I think I'm going to put a new harness system on it than the one I have. But this has got my double cup plants on it, and it's got tomatoes, peppers, and some cilantro. And you can see the plants are doing really well. They're growing nice and dense. Maybe they're growing a little slower than they should, but I think that might be because of the dense soil. I might need to add some perlite. And I'm sorry for the funky light, but that's just the way it is. It looks very similar to the lights if you watch Al from Lumna Acres. He got some ribbon lights or tape lights and used a piece of wood to cover his whole shelf. I don't really want to do that because I'm not sure that I'm going to plant a whole 3-foot shelf with plants of the similar height. I sort of like that this is a foot high and I can buy another one. It'll be a foot. It'll pretty much fill up this 3-foot container with light, but I can adjust half of the shelf for different height plants, so I can keep the light closer to the plants. So you can see there are bulbs, LED bulbs underneath. They're very bright. It's a reddish blue type light. I wonder if anyone's got any experience using these type of lights, if they work well, or whether the more white lights like this Home Depot light works well. You can see the Gro-lights from TaoTronics. They're sort of in between. They're sort of a little bit more white, but they do have a red and a blue spectrum as well. So really what I want is your guys' opinion. What do you think? What do you use? Any suggestions? Should I just keep experimenting? What do you think? Well, that's my light situation. I really do need your help. I want to know your opinions, what you've used, if you think one is better than another, or do you think I should just keep experimenting? I don't know. I'm used to sort of the mentality from a geology professor I had who just said, observe, record, move on. So that's sort of kind of what I'm doing. It's kind of what I'm doing. Is that a word even? That's sort of what I'm doing. I'm just sort of getting different lights, taking a look, seeing how they grow plants, and going from there. I may waste a little bit of money now while I'm experimenting, but eventually I'll get a system that works for me, and then I can pass that along, and then maybe we can all learn from this experience. So that's my video for today. Please like and subscribe if you already aren't. I really appreciate it, and have a good day.